Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are strapping into the refreshed icon of affordable track performance, the 2025 Hyundai i30N. Since its debut, the i30N has consistently disrupted the hot hatch segment, forcing established rivals to seriously raise their game, and the 2025 iteration continues this aggressive evolution. While the styling refinements are subtle, focusing on sharper LED light signatures and aerodynamic tweaks, the core aggressive stance and functional performance elements remain proudly intact. The heart of this machine is the potent 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, which, in its highest specification, continues to deliver exhilarating figures, pushing output towards the 206 kilowatts, 280 horsepower, and 392 newton-meters of torque mark. Crucially, the i30N retains the choice between the engaging 6-speed manual transmission for purists and the ultra-quick 8-speed NDCT dual-clutch transmission, which features specialized functions like N-grin, shift for temporary power boosts. Performance enhancements for 2025 include potential calibration, tweaks to the electronic limited slip differential, and the adaptive suspension, further refining the car's celebrated balance between everyday usability and devastating track capability. Inside, the focus remains driver-centric. The large infotainment screen running the latest software is well integrated, but the tactile end buttons on the steering wheel, offering instant access to customized driving modes, remain the star of the show. Globally, the i30N continues to represent exceptional value, delivering performance figures and handling dynamics comparable to premium German rivals, but at a significantly lower price point. However, potential buyers should be aware of the trade-offs inherent in a focused track car. The ride, even in its softer setting, remains firm, reflecting its performance bias. Furthermore, the exhaust note, while exhilarating, can become boisterous on long highway cruises. Despite these minor compromises, the 2025 Hyundai i30N solidifies its status as the hot hatch benchmark, offering raw, accessible, fun, and genuine track credentials in a practical 5-door package. It is engineered to maximize driver engagement without emptying the wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRX Automobi for more reviews of true drivers' cars.